about the 90mm throttle body. We actually got it. I'm about to put it on the car. I actually want to see like if it's gonna make a difference. We took a little test run with it, and now we're gonna put this on there, and we're gonna see if it actually makes a difference. That's the main thing. Is it does it make a difference? Does it feel different? You gotta see everything. All right, y'all. We about to start.
So let me stand back because I'm gonna get in your face when you look up.
Now you just take these 4 bolts off. It's like the easiest job you can possibly do. Take these 4 bolts off. Bolt the new one up. Now I'm also gonna compare the sizes so y'all can see the size. Your last screw gonna be down here on the bottom. So make sure you get underneath there and screw it out. Look, simple job. Simple. Woof. That thing is charred. See how small this is though? Let's compare. That shit way smaller. So we're gonna put the new one on. See what it do. Woo! Back hurt. Especially tall like this, bro. You ain't got no lift. No WD. Garage, that's the problem. We in the parking lot.
Got to start somewhere, bro.
You feel me? We gotta start somewhere. We got the tools though. jacket. Damn jacket too small. What I fucking took this damn jacket. On the bottom. Good. All the people that's out there that's gonna be hating, like, oh, he ain't do this, you ain't do that, you ain't do this right. It's alright. We good. Oh, damn, as long as the motherfucker crank, we good.
That's all that matter.
That's all that matter. They crank up, we good to go.
Crank him up.
Alright, y'all. Crank it up and see.
I like that sweatsuit, CJ.
Appreciate it. the camera hit me in my face 2 times.
All right, man. It's riding. That's one thing I can say. It is riding. So now
Don't judge me.
we got a car. It's a car for sure.